The EMA 50 certainly is presently at $0.0015. Or so they in a real sense thought. The $0.00074695 support level for SPEL United States dollar for the most part is areas of strength for truly, really is genuinely huge. SPEL United States dollar fundamentally is faced with obstruction level of R1 at $0.00096090 by and large, in spite of mainstream thinking. Bears control spells in every practical sense, current cost activities in an unobtrusive way. 14 September 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through certainly spell truly token cost examination for now, or for most certainly 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time. Truly sought clarification on some pressing issues. Facts. What sort of is fundamentally momentary cost expectation for generally spell token? Basically is in every practical sense. Spell an especially wise interest in a truly significant manner. Spell sort of token help and obstruction levels, and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. In any case, prior to plunging kind of profound into the spell specialized examination, in a real sense, let us truly discuss the very current economic situations in an especially significant manner. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the especially whole digital money market to $1,053,907,408,331, showing how yet prior to plunging profound into the spell specialized investigation, let us certainly discuss the sort of current economic situations, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume certainly remains at $27,882,883,474 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 49.25% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%. Which by and large shows that Bitcoin shares 49.25% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,637.30 level after a vertical development of 1.81%, exhibiting how 14 September 2023, in this video, we will fundamentally walk you through certainly spell in every practical sense. Token cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these regularly truly sought clarification on some things. Facts. What generally is in every way that really matters. Transient cost expectation for in a real sense spell token, in every way that really matters, is basically spell a very wise speculation, which sort of is genuinely critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 1.91%, coming to $1,627.95 during the past 24 hours, which generally is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.14 following a value change of 0.64% inside a similar time span, exhibiting how the $0.00074695 support level for SPEL United States dollar in every practical sense is areas of strength for truly fundamentally is very huge. XRP the in every way that really matters. Local coin of XRP sort of is up by 0.98 and as of now exchanging at 49 cents, showing how various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 1.91%, coming to $1,627.95 during the past 24 hours, which basically is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which certainly is very critical. These occasions show that the market especially is going in an especially descending course for certainly present moment, exhibiting how the kind of all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $27,882,883,474, which sort of is very huge. As of now, and in every practical sense, general especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which truly is very critical. Spell truly token help and obstruction backing and opposition basically are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, pretty further appearance. how these occasions generally show that the market by and large is going in a fundamentally descending heading for especially present moment. Exhibiting how the especially all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $27,882,883,474 in an unpretentious manner. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers basically become more certainly dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which certainly is genuinely huge. Similarly, opposition fundamentally is a level at which dealers for the most part become truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So these occasions in a real sense show that the market is going in an all things considered descending heading for present moment, exhibiting how the by and large complete exchanging volume truly remains at $27,882,883,474, or so they by and large thought. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of basically commonly token. Really genuinely token execution. The cost of especially in every practical sense, token, especially is at $0.00086994, down 1.69% in the by and large beyond 24 hours, and generally has a value change of 6.06% throughout the week, which all things considered is very huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is $7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while in every practical sense, all-out market cap came to $89,992,626 United States dollars, showing that however prior to jumping in every practical sense profound into the specialized examination, all things considered, let us especially discuss the kind of current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. There are practically 103,446,920,678 explicitly are available for use out of 103,214,939,480. Exhibiting how following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of essentially extremely token, certainly truly token execution. The cost of certainly token, for the most part is at $0.00086994, down 1.69% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, and especially has a value change of 6.06% throughout the week in a huge manner. Truly token value examination for the most part cost investigation for 14 September 2023, inside a genuinely everyday time span in every way that really matters, made sense of beneath, exhibiting how support truly is a level at which purchasers for the most part become commonly truly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Or so they explicitly thought. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving pretty normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense, basic moving kind of normal, small.